Officer Buckle and Gloria by Peggy Rathman.
Officer Buckle knew more safety tips than anyone in Knappville. But when he shared his safety tips with the students of Knappville School, nobody ever listened. Until the day the police department bought a dog named Gloria to follow Officer Buckle along on his safety presentations. When Officer Buckle and Gloria presented their safety tips at Knappville School, the children clapped their hands, cheered, and even laughed until they cried, as their full attention was set on Gloria. Officer Buckle and Gloria told their safety tips to 313 schools, and were even videotaped by the local news station. When Officer Buckle watched himself on the 10 o'clock news, he noticed that nobody was looking at him. Everyone's eyes were on Gloria, and he vowed never to give any more safety tip speeches again. Without the safety tip presentations by Officer Buckle and Gloria, the city of Knappville is in danger of a horrible accident.
Read Officer Buckle and Gloria by Peggy Rathman to see what happens.